Hey guys, what's going on? Just doing some work at my computer right now and decided I needed a little snack. So I wanted to go with something that was a little bit healthier than, say, like Ritz or some other type of cracker. So I decided to go with Nabisco Glutten's Veggie blend, which I just purchased and tried. They're really delicious. They are enlarged here to show detail. They are gluten-free. The goods, they have no cholesterol, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, and no high fructose corn syrup. Per 28 pieces, that's in a serving. They have 120 calories, 0 grams of saturated fat, 90 milligrams of sodium, or 4% daily value, and 2 grams of total sugars. They are rice snacks. And the net weight of this box is 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. I kind of like on the box how it shows you like what's inside. So you have like black bean, corn, I guess it's like a hot pepper, and I'm not really too sure what this is in the background, but I guess we'll figure that out once we go to the nutrition facts and ingredients, which we'll do right now. Turn to the side. Okay, so nutrition facts, about 3.5 servings per container. Serving size is 28 pieces, 30 grams. Calories, 120. Total fat, 1.5 grams or 2% daily value. 0 grams of saturated fat, 0 grams of trans fat. Polyunsaturated fat, 0 grams. Monounsaturated fat, 1 gram. 0 milligrams of cholesterol. 90 milligrams of sodium. Total carbs, 25 grams or 9% daily value. Dietary fiber, 1 gram. Total sugars, 2 grams. Includes 1 grams of added sugars, 2 grams of protein, 0 milligrams of vitamin C, 10 milligrams of calcium, 0.4 milligrams of iron, and 100 milligrams of potassium. So ingredients we have here are rice flour, dried red bell peppers, dried corn, dried black beans, high oleic safflower oil, dried cane syrup, pumpkin powder, salt, and onion powder. So it's great. All ingredients are vegetarian and I believe vegan too. So it's perfect for you vegans and vegetarians out there like myself. They are manufactured on equipment that processes soy, sesame seeds, and tree nuts. So got to be careful if you have allergies to any of those things. Distributed by Mondelez Global LLC in East Hanover, New Jersey, USA. It's a little barcode you could scan, the smart label. I guess you could scan with like the Weight Watchers app and stuff maybe to see how many points they would be. So here it says, try our veggie blend, a snack star made with rice and veggies and baked to crispy perfection. Oh yes. So that's the back side. I really like their box. I feel like it's very like colorful. And then on the side here it says Glutten's the Rice One Veggie Blend, rice snacks, just reiterating the net weight and size. And then on the back we have this box, please recycle this carton. So that's good to know, it's recyclable. Mondelez International. This package is sold by weight, not by volume. If it does not appear full when opened, it is because contents have settled during shipping and handling. Questions or comments, you can call weekdays this number. Please have package available. Best when used by March 13th, 2019, but I guarantee these are so good you'll go through it way before then. So it's like the box top number on the back, Glutten's Veggie Blend Rice Snacks, the brand seal. Gonna open it up. Very easy to open and close, as you guys can see. Just lift tab to open, and then you could insert the tab here to close and keep it fresh. And there's the bag that it comes in. Go ahead and grab it out so you guys can see. This is what the cracker looks like. It's so good. Crispy. You'll never know it's a better for you snack because it has so much taste and flavor. And these are just really great. Like I said, like I'm just at the computer working with my cup of coffee, so you just need like a midday snack. So you could put these in like a Ziploc bag and bring them to work, put them in your car, your purse, your kid's backpack, office desk drawer, like whatever the case is, just to have on you. And I think, you know, it's something to feel better about rather than eating like Ritz, which are like have a lot of butter and stuff, I think. So It's like a better for you snack. So these are Nabisco Good Thins, the rice one veggie blend. They have a bunch of other flavors too. Like I said, great for gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian. They're delicious, full of flavor, and somewhat healthy. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful, and I hope you try them. Thanks for watching.